Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on Oanda on PC. Oanda provides a user-friendly trading platform that allows you to customize your workspace, and one of the customization features is changing the theme, which can make the charts and dashboard easier on your eyes and improve your overall trading experience. You can switch between the light and dark theme depending on your preference. First, what you can do is you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, Safari, Chrome or the Edge, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down oanda.com and enter it, and you'll get into this dashboard of the Oanda successfully. And once you're logged in, navigate to your main trading dashboard or the FX Trade web platform. This is where the most customization options, including themes, are available. And over here, you need to look for the settings or gear icon. In the top right corner, we can find this setting icon here, and under this general, we can find this dark. What you can do is you need to simply toggle on this icon. It will automatically change the display theme of the Oanda, and that is it. What you can do is if you want to change it to the dark mode, you can simply toggle it on. But if you do not prefer that, so you prefer the default setting, light setting, simply toggle it off, and that is it. The platform will immediately update the interface to reflect your choice. Charts, menus, and the background will change according to the selected theme. And you can return to your main dashboard to ensure the theme is applied properly. You can always go back to the setting to switch between the theme as needed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can help you on how to change theme on Oanda. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.